Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can speed up Windows 11, and in this video I will show you only the working steps which makes the difference to boost up Windows 11. So let's start without wasting our time. The step number one is you need to open the run command here simply, and on the search you need to type for sysdm.cpl sysdm.cpl, hit OK key, and here goes to the advanced options. Then click on this first option, visual effects, and from here look for this option, advanced for best performance, and just tick the two boxes here, show thumbnail instead of icons, and the next one is smooth edge, and this option is smooth edge of screen fonts, and then click on apply, and then click on. Also you can tick the option which says save the preview thumbnail and instead of this, and just click on apply and OK. Now next step is simply open the calculator, and we are going to increase the virtual memory in our system. Open system information simply. You can open your task manager to see the physical RAM you have on your system, and let's say you have 16 GB or 8 GB. I will show you how you can calculate it. I have 16 GB. You need to 1024, you need to multiply your physical RAM into 1024. Let's say you have 4 GB, then you can select 4094, and now you need to multiply this into 1.5. So if you are using 4 GB RAM, you need to give here the virtual memory to 1024, 6124, this option 6144. Here select your D drive. If it is ticked like this, untick this, select the D drive, and then put it this value here, whatever value you are getting. Now let's say I have 16 GB of RAM, 1024 into 16, and then we need to multiply by 1.5. I have already done the settings here, same 24576, and 24576 is already done in my system. Set the initial size and maximum size, then click on set, and then click on apply, then click on OK, and it will ask you to restart your Windows. Simply restart your Windows and you should good to go. For the similar 8 GB, let me show you that if there is any confusion you have, then 1.5. So 12288 you need to put if you are using 8 GB of memory. So this is the step number 2. Now move on to the step number 3. In the step number 3, you need to disable all the startup apps on your computer. Right click, open the task manager, and from this menu click on startup apps and disable all the apps here. Okay, if these are enabled, just disable all of them. If it is enabled like this, disable all of them. Like I have already done that. That is the reason my system is working fine and it is faster, it is responding. So this is the way guys, and if the system is stucking somehow, sometime it is working fine, sometime not working, open CMD, hit this command, and this will repair the Windows corruption. And sometime due to the Windows corruption and OS corruption issues, system stucks and lags. Make sure you restart and update your Windows, and after that you can run this command, and thereafter again restart your Windows, and hopefully your system will be working good. If yes, then just comment me and hit like and also subscribe. So thank you. Thanks for watching.